No, no, don't say. See, I go turning the camera on.
Man. You know what? I should have probably been reeling faster.
Should have got more pressure on them.
Yeah, I mean, I had pretty good. It seemed pretty good.
That's all right.
Oh, man.
It's all right.
That kind of that's what we're looking for here. All right. I didn't even know I had it.
No.
It was because it was sitting on the bottom, and
Yep.
I went.
You gotta just barely try to keep it where you can feel the slack of the line. Cover some water, give us better odds.
Yeah, yeah. I thought you meant we'll eat them. Listen, we like to get our grease hot. We going to the grocery store. Oh yeah. And he's a completely different color.
Oh, he choked it down too.
Yep, I don't want to have to walk back in here. Oh, yep.
Got him?
Yep.
Hey. Ooh, that's a snook there.
Maybe I'm better. Yeah, baby. I think it was. Yeah, I think he is. David, what's that braided line there? Am I on your line there, bud?
Where you going?
Oh, sorry. I'm looking the wrong way. Yeah. Oh, he's a nice one. I was trying to get my phone. Sir. Man, look at that. Look at that thing. Wow. Shoot, boy. Stone my
That's
awesome.
Just,
Hang on. Ready. 1, 2, 1, 2. What is it?
looks like a red.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Good red.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nice one, David. Oh, pretty. Ooh.
Nice job.
Yes,
Look at
sir.
the color of that one too.
2, 3. Yeah.
Try to do nice and steady, because if it's a keeper, we want to try to get them like straight line.
Easy, Brad.
That'll
Don't
be
force.
close.
Yeah, I don't think he's about the size of that other one, I believe. No, he's bigger. Well, you know my damn camera's overheated. He ain't bad.
Try to turn them. Put those baits back in the water when you get a chance. Oh, drop it.
Yep, there you go. Yeah, baby.
All right, ready?
Yeah,
1,
baby.
2, 3.
Pushing out, Brad. Way out.